and light colored skin and being short, and also the fact that I love babies. So when I see them, I'm like, I really deep sea. I have pink hair that also does see, but they can tell. Babies know when someone is paying attention and when someone is fucking clued in. And they look at you and they're like, "What are you doing?" Like, don't worry, little baby. Mm. Okay, friends, we're having an issue. This is our first issue of the night. See that little nose? It is like fully sunk in there. And our tweezers don't want to pull it out. Like they don't want to grip it because the nose is so tiny they can't get enough purchase. And so we are looking for, we have two choices. One, better tweezers. Two, a little pokey doodler. They look at me and go, "Oh, you see things, and also your hair is pink." How? See, deep sea, I wish, but polymer, especially when it's warm, because I have very warm little hands, that has like no tensile strength, essentially. It's not going to, it won't go bloop, it'll just go. And so we have pulled out different tweezers. Ooh. We're going to see if we can do the slow and gentle extraction here. Oh! Success. Okay. So the answer is this little nose is not the right fit. And that doesn't mean it's not the right fit for a different gnome. But we're going to set it aside. Rip, it doesn't work like flash. Like, the tweezers of plucking. Yes! Yes! And so we carefully remove it. And then what we're going to do is, because this guy is a very specific little guy. He's got a specific beard. He's got a specific hat. He has a place in a set. So we want to apply effort to his success. And right now, he's got a couple issues. Like right here, this is going over. And so we take out our thing, and seriously, so gently, like we are going to be so gentle, pushing the edge of that beard back into shape. And then we are going sleight of hand monishes for sure. I've also made miniatures. Deep Sea, I was telling you about this the other day, like the miniature room type things from like the flat pack kits, essentially. Like you gotta. Oh, he is an important member of the community. Seriously, he deserves love and attention. And look, his little beard is looking better, and the other nose was not the right nose fit for him. But we want to be very gentle when we give him a new nose. And so actually, I think really the smart money is on using a tool and not our hands. Okay, friends. We have a new nose. Beard fixed. And now we need to make sure our new nose is centered. Ooh, because our old nose center is no longer the center. So we need to make sure, okay, we're centered. And now we're going to ever so gently. Ooh. Okay, we want to make sure it's going in. Oof. I do not know what that message was, but apparently my mod is all over it. Thank you, Mr. Dirty Blood. Oh. And friends, we've conducted a